Yes, Billy man.
Yeah.
Boy, you want to see me with a little argument, you know, sir.
What's that?
Boy, me hear a argument as the boy Donald Trump a plan to come to Jamaica, you know.
Come to Jamaica. When I come to Jamaica?
That me want to know where I come to Jamaica for. But here why me I say, he want to come to Jamaica. You know why I want to come to Jamaica? When me hear say Donald Trump want to come to Jamaica, I say me can't believe it, so me call out the airport.
Yeah.
I ask them say if them have a Donald Trump a come to Jamaica. Me hear say Donald Trump a come to Jamaica, so me call them to find out if it's truth.
Yeah.
But them tell me say them a go check the flight and say if him really a come to Jamaica. So me say wanna find out the for me, because if Donald Trump a come to Jamaica, me no think me can allow him to come in other country here.
You can't come here.
Because here why me not think him can come, me not go allow him now. Me want make him know say he's not Andrew Wallace as the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
And me are the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
And
Donald
yeah.
Davis.
And me are the Prime Minister, right sir?
Donald Davis are
The Prime Minister.
Yeah.
And anyhow, him say him a come to Jamaica. Me I make sure tell them say if block out the whole airport.
Yeah, block out the airport.
And we not give no entrance.
No
entry for coming.
No entry, yeah.
Can't get no entry for coming to Jamaica. Plus, if him a come, me you say him have all him things, them pack up him things, them too, you know. Well, I know. Me you say him pack up him clothes. Him pack up him suitcase them. Me you say him pack up all him house. Everything him have in America and say him done with America.
Yeah.
They want to know Donald Trump not born up there.
So hold on there. Me have flowers for you, know.
Flowers?
Yeah, one flowers.
Not in flowers me I take for you for
flowers.
Donald Trump. No, that flowers can't help him.
Flowers can't help him. What can help him?
No, flowers can't help him.
What can help him?
What can help him?
Mm.
I don't know what can help him, but I know the only thing can help him, you know. Is a backlash down the mighty.
Yeah, man.
That's the only thing can help him, you know.
No, but
No, we not go down the mighty yet, because we don't know if I truth them attack. And we don't want to go down the mighty man, then we hear say, boy, Donald Trump dead and we are coming to Jamaica. We don't want down the mighty yet. We want when you reach the airport, which was down the mighty.
So now you say,
I take by the plane and go up there.
You say, him no want no Jamaican to come up there.
Hold on there, man.
So what come to Jamaica?
Hold on there, man. Now I tell you something, man. When me hear say Donald Trump come to Jamaica, me say, boy, me can't take in Donald Trump because Donald come to Jamaica. Me don't have no house to live at Jamaica if he come.
No, sir. Not at all.
Because he's a man we say, you know. Him go deport all Jamaican.
Yeah.
And him now go deport them in America. Him go say him go deport all Jamaican to Haiti and take over.
And take over.
And me know say Haiti a place when you go there.
You know, no food.
Dog there. Not a bread they eat, or dirt they eat for bread. So if he come here, he might go on and say somewhere if you go for Haiti, and somewhere if you go live at some other country where no exist, not even on the map then the country there.
No, not at all.
So me no want Donald Trump here. Number one, Donald Trump come here, he might go block out the airport. If Donald Trump come here,
he might block out the airport.
he might go block out the whole of Kingston City.
Yeah.
If he come here, a dead with dead if he come here.
Dead fish up.
Because he's a man where them say, you know, he will take talk from people.
So
And not even
hold on,
and me hear say him a plan too.
Me no cut you.
When he come up, him a plan to take over the police force
Me no cut you.
and the security forces.
All the people let me say go down and him too, you know.
All them pitney too. What
Yes,
the fuck say? But what are the man? But me don't give no access.
No access.
Him pick them and come to Jamaica. What are the man? Because me want the argument say the reason why him a come to Jamaica because him claim to say then thief him the election and abandon the election.
Yeah.
And me hear say him say rob him.
Rob him up.
And him no lose. So
yeah.
me hear say no, him a come to Jamaica because the American justice system is unfair. But when he come to Jamaica now, he say, I'm going to work back the case because Jamaica have the best judges. And the best judges them will give him back the leadership. Hold on, man. Instead the judges them will give him back the best leadership. The best leadership to take back president in America. That's why I say I come to Jamaica. But if in the America and they try the case, him not go win.
No win, sir. He not win.
Because them say the reason why he love Jamaica because of film party in a power. You know see what I want? Yeah, I think we've got to say the JLP party in a power. Then you say a film party, sir.
A film party?
Then that's why I want to come here.
That mean if him come here?
What a bam no, sir.
If him come here...
Me say if Donald Trump ever come to Jamaica, you can't sleep, you go have nightmare.
Nightmare, yeah. Yes, sir.
If him ever come to Jamaica,
yes, sir.
You know what I'm going to do? When you done with me here, not even hot water can cool you. Me don't want to come here, sir. Then you don't want Donald Trump to come here.
Come here from the
Hold on, me I make sure call airport. Call airport and tell them, say, if Donald Trump come to airport,
let me call airport, hold on.
Them not even them for make him touch foot from Jamaican side.
Not a
No,
not
not a backside, because if him ever come here,
not at all.
hell boss.
Boss loose.
You know, so the rain a fall.
Every day doing fall.
You know, so the place them a flood out. We make you think the place them a full flood out. Because they hear say Donald Trump a come here. And because the news will flash from them say Donald Trump. Well, from them say Donald Trump a come here, you know. We have rain. We have people a flood out. House a mash up. Then if he come here and rain start fall already and I mash up so much place.
Yes, imagine if
then when he come here, I did we did under flood. No,
look
sir.
on the mother, look on it.
No, sir.
Look on it.
The flood. Me don't want Donald Trump come here. Me hear from sources say my plan to come here. But him now, you know, me say him only have 2 months left in the office, you know.
2 months?
Yes, 2 months. Him a president now. But you know, you what me hear say? Me hear say Biden beat him. And Biden took power that of the Democratic Party.
Yeah.
And him no concede as all know because him say he no lose.
He no see
and you what me hear say no. Then same have until November, December, but when the 28th of January come, them say Biden go swear win. So he want to take himself out of America before Biden swear win. Because if Biden swear win,
dog damn him supper.
Dog damn him supper. So he want to come to Jamaica now, come take side with them, a politician by voter, and he want to go in a Jamaica house and God knows.
God.
No, me don't want him here.
Me don't want him here.
Me don't want him here.
Not at all.
You know what? Me don't think if Donald Trump come here, me want to be Prime Minister again.
Not at all.
Because if he come here, you know, if Donald Trump come here, not even green banana.
Not even green banana, I don't want to eat.
No, not even green banana, I go shoot again pan tree. Eh? If he come here,
he dead.
Green mango dead.
Breadfruit
dead.
Everything
Pumpkin dead.
Everything dead.
Not even food you go and get downtown.
Yeah. No,
so me want to come here. I hope them not try to take him in here. Because me want to talk and say, when Donald Trump did win election, you know, Donald Trump say, all the alien them to go back to their country.
Yeah.
And you know, call them alien, you know. Him say, all of the illegal immigrant them, all the illegal people inside home, and people illegal inside home. And when he win, you know, me hear say him you know when do, he call Mexico and say, I'm going to build a wall. And when he build the wall, no, Mexico can't go over Jamaica, can't go over America. Then if Donald Trump come here and build wall. You know what I'm going to do? He's going to put a wall in a Kingston City. And those who live in the rural area can't come here to the capital. Because it's a serious man, you know.
Yes,
when he talk, hey, well, boss.
So,
you hear me I say now, me I beg you, please cooperate Jamaica. Don't make Donald Trump come here. Me I beg you, and me will call the security forces and tell them say to keep tight security at the airport.
Yeah.
Because me no want Donald Trump come here. And if he come up on the plane I will go back with him, you know. Yeah. The plane can't land on. Land way.
Land the water and go join
if he never come here, let me ask you something. Donald Trump now, him claim to say, the man them rob him. And when the election are gone, him say no man can't beat him, but the man them, me make sure call Biden. And you know me give Biden for drink. Yeah, you talk straight about the man. Me say me make sure blend up, you know. Me blend up some Irish mash and peanut. Me blend up oats. and I put peanut in there. I want to sit with them call name Whiskey Never Die.
Whiskey never.
Whiskey Never Die. And me say, Biden, here what you are going to do with Donald Trump because he's a chick star. You have one horse with them call name Black Stallion. So me now I'll give you the horse. But can't reach winning post. I 2 horses you have, you know. Me have 2 horses, one named Black Stallion and one named Days of My Light. But me now I'll give you Days of My Light, me will give you Black Stallion.
Black Stallion.
And me going to make Donald Trump ride the one when named Days of My Light. And he said, yes man. And when you say, I make sure, you know, I make sure set him up at the gate, you know. And in America, me make sure go at the check and pay them some money for a long time. I said to them, say, listen me now. We are going to run 2 races. But they may race we are the race of the world. Him say, which 2 horses I want? I say, I want your Black Stallion, man. And I want your Days of My Light. So, Biden now say, boy, then I'll Trump say, I want white horse. Him have been saying, I want the white one because I can't lose them when you have white horse. Biden say, I want the black one because black man never lose it.
Yeah.
And black man no give up, black man hard for tired. And me say, alright then, sir. And when them go in the gate, you know, and I make sure give Biden one thing name, I make sure buy 2 jug and give him. And when I drink the 2 jug and I go buy 2 bottle of whiskey give him. And I give him one next one with them call name Metic the Killer. Metic the Killer.
Metic the Killer.
Yeah man, I went Biden drink him man. And him go down in a saddle and set off the 2 of them on the horse man, and then I'll jump and lead, ding ding. Yeah, then I'll jump. Yes, me win. And Biden a beat him horse same way. Me win. And then I'll jump, you know when do? He now watch him back, you know. When in bed here saying win. He make sure call a conference with film people them, with film cabinet. He say, come here man. We win. So we are going to celebrate. And all in there they are saying win. And him a call him and him Biden just goes boom and pass against him. And when Biden boom and pass him, hear him now? Which breeze that take me. When him look round, when he look, Biden lent him 15 furlong gone. Lens 15 furlong by to lens thing gone. And when he look round, they hear him now. No man, we can't believe him pass me. He no win man, he can't win me. And we not take a sack. Biden beat out the horse. And he no can't see it yet, but me hear say, him a plan to finish the race at Jamaica. Because he say if he finish it, he go ride again. But this time, this a riding away, more get is a riding, a beating, is a beating riding. Him go and beat out his horse. So he better make sure, say, if he come to Jamaica, me go put up a sign, say, Donald Trump, you're not welcome to Jamaica anymore, you're not welcome anymore. Stay in America and take your beating from Biden. Take it. If you can't take it, either you take it or you're dead. But Biden will have to beat out your horse and you're going to continue to make him whip your horse because here he's going to whip your horse. Number 1, he's going to whip your horse to build the wall of Mexico. He's going to whip your horse to stop health, Obama health. He's going to whip your horse for all of them people where you deport back of them country. So stay there and take your beating. And nobody take Jamaica if you not ride north and come here. Stay your country. And you're born. You hear me say? Donald Trump? Stay there. And don't come back. Don't ever try to come to Jamaica. Don't ever try to come here. Stay there. And take your beating. Because when you did in your prime and things are going for you, you never talk about you come to Jamaica. But now you lose. You want to come to Jamaica. For what? Me want to see you. Me no want to see you here. So stand where you're there. You hear me say, Donald Trump, stand at your yard and don't come back. Don't even try to come to Jamaica. Because Jamaica people don't want you. They don't welcome you. Stand at your yard. Alright, sir. tired of your yard. Alright. Me gone left for now.